This video is to show how we have a longhand electron configuration, which is what I have written here, and how I can convert that into a shorthand configuration. So, I'm going to start with my nickel. Here's nickel, located right here. A shorthand electron configuration looks at the last noble gas, because the noble gases are the ones that have a full energy level. The noble gases are the things that hang out right here. So I'm going to find the closest noble gas and go from there. So if I find nickel, which is my thing, I'm going to back up until I find the nearest noble gas. I have nickel is number 28. The nearest noble gas, the one, it has to be backwards of it, is argon. It doesn't have to be the nearest noble gas, but it has to be backwards below nickel, which is number 28. So argon. Argon I can see is 3s2, 3p6. That's where it ends. 3s2, 3p6. That's where it ends. So argon is all of this. To do a shorthand electron configuration for nickel, I would write argon in those brackets, 4s2, 3d8, the last part. Argon is what we look for because really nothing's happening in those inner electrons. They're not really actively a part of any kind of chemical reactions. What's actively part of the chemical reaction is the outside stuff, so that's the ones we care about. So shorthand electron configurations show us what we really care about, which is making it a lot easier. So let's go to SB. So here I am here. I'm going to backtrack to my noble gas, krypton. I can see that krypton ends in 4s2, 3d10, 4p6. It ends in 4p6. 4p6. So anything in the fourth energy level and below is going to be there, except for, of course, our 4d10. So it'll go krypton, 5s2, 4d10, 5p3. Sorry, 3. So now let's try one from scratch. So if I wanted to pick any kind of element, I don't know, let's pick silicon. Here's silicon. I'm going to backtrack, do a noble gas, neon. So if I wanted to write a shorthand electron configuration for silicon, I would go neon, and then go from there. 3s2, 3s2, 1, 2, 3p2. And I'm done. Hope that helped.